how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is VSendit. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Guys, you can check here the Swiss Web3 revolution for data of the future. Guys, this amazing Web3 project. You can see this more detail. You can see this 100% secure also for managing your data. VSendit is the first Web3 file transfer and storage service aggregator platform that connect the people, businesses and data of today with the Web3 world of tomorrow. And that guy, you can check here, you can transfer your files, you can see this, explore our token reward system for our your activity and referrals. And that guy, you can check here, you can see this part of this project, Nick, Red Bull, Meta, Welt, Dreamwa. You can check here. And that guys, we discuss more detail about this project. Guys, you can check here, big announcement about this project. We sent it, we are live with our node NFT pre-sale. Don't miss your chance and be part of it, guys. You can visit now our node pre-sale website and see this more detail about this project. And like guys, you can check here, we send it, protect your data and personal information with easy access to decentralized transfer and web3 storage solution. Guys, you can see this, you can play this video and watch this video completely, and next we discuss more detail with decentralized web 3.0 technologies. We are creating the data processing tools of our new generation, user friendly, reliable and above all secure. Several billion pieces of user data are traded worldwide every day. They are sold without the person knowledge and misused for advertising purposes. We find that next to our fundamental rights, personal data is the most valuable asset in digital age. They therefore deserve special protection in the interest of all citizens. Guy, you can read carefully all detail. And that guy, you can check here, you can control your data with vSendit 3.0. You can see this decentralized data security. You can see the information in the era of Web3. We are reshaping the rules of data security. Our platform harnesses the groundbreaking technologies of Web3 to protect your personal data while placing full control in your hand. Guys, you can read carefully all detail about this vSendit project, decentralized data security. Next, guys, you can check here, Web3 data transfer. With Web3 technology, you not only region control over your personal data but also can use the internet more securely and anonymously. You can read carefully. And that guy, you can check here, data security is our top priority. With Web3 and proven blockchain technology, we set the standards for protecting and preserving the integrity of your data. Guys, you can read carefully all detail. Next, guys, you can check, click this and see this, discover all benefits of Web3. And next, guys, you can check here, value proposition. The most advanced and secure file transfer and decentralized storage solution for our industries. Guys, you can check here, key benefits for this sector. You can see this secure. You can click this and see this government sector. You can see secure data management for government authorities. You can see this efficient data transfer, data security, regulatory complaints, secure collaboration. Guys, you can check here detail. That guy, you can check here, finance and insurance. You can click this and see this key benefit of for this factor: data security, secure collaboration, regulatory complaints, contact management. Guys, you can see this maximal data security for sensitive client data in the realm of finance and insurance. Price data management with unparalleled security is paramount. You can see this all detail. Next, guys, you can check here, healthcare. You can see this healthcare, secure data management in healthcare. You can see these key benefits: data security, efficient exchange, regulatory complaints, tailored solution. Next, guys, you can check here, media and entertainment. You can click this and see this media entertainment, data control and revenue, fast transfer, data security, complaints is digital earning. Next, guys, you can check here, manufacturing. You can click this and see this secure data management in manufacturing. You can check here, key benefits: efficient supply chain, data protection, regulatory complaints, quality control. Next guys, you can see this IT and telecommunications. You can see this IT telecommunication details, advertising and market research. You can see this next guys, you can check here energy and utilities. You can see the energy and utilities key benefits for this factor. Next guys, you can check here transportation and logistics. So you can click this and see this revolutionizing data management in transportation and logistics. You can see this key benefit detail. And next guys, you can check here web3 community detail. You can click this and see this web3 community detail. You can read carefully all detail and key benefit for this factor, equity rewards, referral reward, metadata protection, web3 storage. You can see this all detail. You can see this we send it blog. You can see this the countdown to the not pre-sale is running. You can see this we send it roadmap customer 2 2024. You can see this discover the next important steps for the future of we send it. You can see this NVIDIA GPU Technology Conference 2024, a glimpse into the future of AI and high performance computing. And you can click this and see this our blog post about this project. Now guys, you can check here fact. You can see this all question what is we send it not concept, because you can read it carefully all day. Next guys, you can check here our backers. You can see the Max Global, Huawei, AWS, Anderson. You can see this Gate.io, Bitpanda, PancakeSwap Finance. You can see the all is the backer of this project. We send it. You can see this. You can get the latest. We send it content straight to your inbox. You can enter your email. Then you can subscribe now. And next we discuss more detail about this project. Next guys, you can see this we send it safer, faster, easier, Swiss file transfer and storage for the Web3 era. You can see this enter the world of decentralized network with vSendit. Protect your privacy securely, manage your files and region control. You deserve it guys. You can send files for free. You can see this start your free trial for full vSendit. You can see this. You can click here and see this start your free trail. You can see this page is loading, it's take time. Then you can see this your page is open now. You can accept now, then you can allow. You can see this, then you can see this starter plan 14 days for free. You can sign up now, then you can start plan now. You can see this, you can buy any plan. You can subscribe now, then you can buy now. And you can see this all plan details. You can check here, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here file transfer, share your movements easy, securely and fast. You can see this retail file management, great organization is key. You can check here. You can see this web3 storage protection for your file. You can see this next guys, you can see the starting trial 40 days for free. You can see this, we already discussed this. And next guys, you can check here world class file transfer for every ambition. You can buy now any plan. We discussed this. You can click this and see this all plan guys. You can get any latest update. You can enter your first name, last name, email, then you can submit now. And next we go to the more detail about this project. And guys, you can check here. You can see this. So you can buy WSI token. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet, wallet connect, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet. So guys, you can connect any wallet, then you can buy WSI token. You can see this public sales stay $0.014 price per WSI. You can see this. You can see this. You can buy now. You can enter your BNB amount, then you can buy WSI token. You can see this buy WSI and be part of the biggest revolution in the history of big data. Next guys, you can check here. You can buy now through PancakeSwap or Finance. You can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this, your page is open now guys. You can see this PancakeSwap or Finance page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet. Then you can select network. So I select network BNB Smart Chain. Then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 200. Then you can buy this token WSI. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here more detail. You can see this all question about this project. We sent it. You can see this. And next we go to this project documentation detail. Guys, you can see this. We sent it at a glance. You can read it carefully all day. Next, guys, you can check here. We sent it introduction, problem, approach to the solution, technology. We sent it token and use case, data production, and we sent it core principle and innovation, blockchain integration, tokenomics detail. Guys, you can click here and see this tokenomics of this project. We sent it. Guys, you can see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this. Your page is open now. Guys, you can see this page is open. You can see the tokenomics of this project. We sent it. Guys, you can see this distribution, price, allocation, total value. Guys, you can read carefully all detail. And guys, you can check here DX and CX listing, vesting schedule, token burning strategy, token allocation, competitive analysis, roadmap. You can click here and see this roadmap. Guys, you can see this roadmap detail. We send it roadmap details outlook. You can click this and see this outlook. You can see this all roadmap about this project. Guys, you can read it carefully all details. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.